రాజ్యాంగం కల్పించిన ఓటు హక్కును ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ వినియోగించుకోవాలని కొవ్వూరు సబ్ కలెక్టర్ ఆశుతోష్ శ్రీవాత్సవ్ తెలిపారు. కొవ్వూరు రెవెన్యూ డివిజనల్ కార్యాలయం వద్ద శనివారం కేసీఎఫ్ న్యూస్తో మాట్లాడారు. మే 13వ తేదీన జరగనున్న సార్వత్రిక ఎన్నికల్లో ఓటు ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ తమ ఓటును ఆయా పోలింగ్ కేంద్రాల వద్ద వినియోగించుకోవాలని సూచించారు.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. అందరికీ తెలుసు 13th May is the voting day for our all the voters in Andhra Pradesh for assembly constituency kosam and for parliamentary constituency kosam. In our constituency, Kovur constituency lo, there are total 176 polling stations. All the preparations have been done. All the polling parties have been finalized. So ఇది నా humble request to every voter in the Kovur constituency. దయచేసి 13th May polling station లో వెళ్ళండి and give your valuable vote. మీ valuable vote ఇవ్వండి. Your vote has a lot of value for this constituency, for this state and for this country. Our district administration, we have since last 4 and 5 months nunchi, we are continuously taking steps to give a free and fair election to every voter. So bhayam lekunda, I want that every voter should be free to come and vote in the polling stations. Prati polling station lo there are AMF facilities unnai. We want to cover each and every section of the society. We have ramps, we have drinking water facilities. Since idi chala summer time unnai, so we are having proper tent shamiyanas so that our voters should not feel any problem polling day roju. So all of you are requested to come and vote on 13th or and it's your contribution to our constituency, our state and our country. So all the best and once again malli okkasari nenu ECI motto cheptanu that no voter should left behind. So all of you are once again requested to come and vote freely and fairly. Tarvata ECI instructions prakaram today after 6 pm tarvata roju there will be silence period. Is silence period lo there will be no campaigning, there will be no road shows, electioneering, nothing. So this will be the silence period. Tarvata already 144 orders kuda vachindi from respected district collector madam. So assembly of 5 or more than 5 persons will not be allowed. Tarvata there will be dry day. So I request everybody to follow the guidelines and to make this election successful in the Kovur constituency.